everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a closer look at one of the smallest yet wealthiest countries in the world, Luxembourg. Known for its stunning landscape and financial prowess, Luxembourg offers fascinating insights into what makes a nation prosperous. Let's explore why Luxembourg holds the title of one of the world's richest countries. Introduction to Luxembourg. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Luxembourg is a landlocked country bordered by Belgium, France, and Germany with a population of just over 600,000 people. It's one of the smallest countries in the Europe. Despite its size, Luxembourg had made a significant impact on the global stage thanks to its robust economy and strategic location. Economic strength. Luxembourg economy is one of the strongest in the world, with a GDP per capita that consistently rank among the highest globally. The country is a major financial hub, home to numerous bank, investment funds, and multinational corporations. Its favorable tax policies and business-friendly environment attract investors from around the globe, making it a key player in international finance. Diversified industries. While finance is a cornerstone of Luxembourg economy, the country has diversified its industries to ensure sustainable growth. It boasts a thriving steel industry, advanced technology sector, and a strong logistics network. Luxembourg is also investing in innovation with a focus on sustainable technologies and research and developments. High standards of living. Luxembourg offers a high standard of living with excellent healthcare, education, and infrastructure. The country has a well-developed public transportation system, making it easy to get around. Its multicultural environment with 3 official languages, Luxembourgish, French, and German, adds to its unique charm. Cultural and natural beauty. Beyond its economic success, Luxembourg is known for its rich culture and natural beauty. The country's picturesque landscapes are dotted with medieval castles and charming villages. Luxembourg City, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, boasts a vibrant art scene and hosts numerous cultural events throughout the year. So there you have it, an overview of why Luxembourg is one of the world's richest countries. Its strategies, economic policies, diverse industries, and high quality of life make it as a fascinating case study in prosperity. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what you find most intriguing about Luxembourg. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.